You put on a new earbud, hit play, and within the first 30 seconds you've already decided if you like it or not. That first impression counts more than any spec on the box. The low frequencies are present without being heavy, the mids carry the main texture of the sound, and the highs are clear without becoming tiring. The overall output is balanced, the kind of sound that works well across different music styles. It won't impress at the level of earbuds 2 or 3 times the price, but for what it is, the audio output is solid and consistent. For anyone who has already tried the QCY Melobuds, the QCY T13 Earbud may feel like a step back, not just in audio output, but also because it has no active noise cancellation. Without it, blocking out surrounding noise depends entirely on volume, and pushing volume higher over long periods is not good for your hearing. If you can invest a little more, the QCY Melobuds is worth considering, and if you don't know anything about it yet, I have a review you can check out in the card. That audio balance only matters if you can keep them in your ears long enough to enjoy it. The QCY T13 Earbud is an in-ear model, and it comes with different ear tip sizes. For most people, the fit is fine for extended use at a desk or during light activity, but ear shape varies, and the smallest tips may still not be enough for some users. In those cases, the earbud can start to slip, even when staying still. It's worth trying each tip size before settling into a routine with them. The QCY T13 Earbud carries an IPX5 rating for daily use. That means it handles sweat and light splashes without issue, enough for most everyday situations. What it does not mean is full waterproofing. Rain, or accidentally getting the earbud wet while washing your face goes beyond what this rating covers. It has resistance, not waterproof protection. At 70 to 100% volume, each earbud delivers around 6 to 8 hours of use. With the case, you get roughly 30 more hours on top of that. In practice, that's comfortable enough to go through a full week, sometimes up to 10 days, on a single charge cycle. A full charge takes around 2 hours, though that can vary slightly depending on your charger. The case connects through a Type-C port. All that battery means nothing if your voice doesn't come through clearly on the other end. The QCY T13 Earbud has a built-in microphone with enhanced audio capture. In a quiet room or a controlled environment, voice capture is one of the strongest points of this earbud at this price range. It picks up speech clearly and handles nearby ambient noise reasonably well. In louder or more unpredictable environments, results will vary, but for office calls, home meetings, and day-to-day phone use, it performs well above what you'd expect at this price. The QCY T13 Earbud has a companion app that lets you check individual earbud battery levels, customize touch controls for each side, and adjust the equalizer manually. The preset sound modes, pop, bass, rock, produce little to no noticeable difference in practice. The manual equalizer, on the other hand, does show real results when pushed to the extremes. One thing to note, the app does not show the battery level of the case itself, only the earbuds. Bluetooth connection is functional, though the sync time with the app tends to run longer than competing models. JBL's fast pair function is noticeably ahead in this regard, making a real difference in how quickly the connection establishes between earbud and phone. The QCY T13 Earbud also does not support multiple point connection. You can only stay connected to one device at a time. Switching between devices requires a manual reset using the button on the case. Despite its strengths, I'd recommend taking a look at other models. The QCY Melobuds, the JBL Beam 2, and the JBL Buds 2 all bring active noise cancellation, more battery life, and improvements in audio output. If you find a deal that puts any of those around 40 to 60% more expensive than the QCY T13 Earbud, the price difference genuinely justifies staying with the more affordable option. But if the gap is only 10 to 20%, I'd personally put that extra money toward the upgrade. That wraps up my full review of the QCY T13 Earbud. If you've decided this is the right product for you, the affiliate links in the description already have the best prices I could find. Using them doesn't cost you anything extra, but it directly supports the channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.